In After Effects, we'll see how to create a text reveal animation with a shimmering flow. Let's get started. First, select the Text tool and type some text. Then, select the Pen tool and draw a straight line the length of the text vertically, with a stroke value of 8, which is good. Activate the line's position keyframe. Go forward 1 second. Move the line's position towards the end of the text. Select the keyframes and give them easy ease. Open the graph editor and set the speed graph of the last keyframe to very slow. Great. Now, select the rectangle tool, turn on the fill color, and turn off the stroke. Draw a shape that completely covers the text. Increase the length of this line slightly. Okay, that's good. Now, pay attention here. We connect the rectangle shape to the line where the animation ends. Let's also change the names of the layers to make our work easier. Now we're setting the single fill color of the rectangle layer to linear gradient. Then set the gradient colors. Here you can't see the opacity setting while the bottom box is selected, but you can see it when you select the top box. Set the opacity value of the first color to 0. Adjust the second color as desired. You can set its opacity value to 90 or 95. Then, with the rectangle layer selected, type points in the search bar and start the start and end point keyframes of the gradient fill. Can see the keyframes we have given by pressing the U shortcut. At the end of the animation, set the start and end points like this. Go back a few frames and set the gradient points like this. Go back to the beginning and copy and paste the last keyframes. Select the middle keyframes and give them easy ease. Move the last gradient keyframes a few frames forward, so that even if the line reaches the end, that glow continues to follow. This will add a nice touch to the animation. Let's watch. I noticed a small mistake here. The gradient animation seems to be slightly delayed, moving back and forth. To fix that, need to move the start gradient point back a bit. Okay, now it's better. Now copy one on the rectangle layer. Move this layer to the bottom layer, choose a single color for the fill color, and change its color to white. Then make the text layer matte on the rectangle 2 layer. Perfect. Now let's add a glow effect. Set the glow radius to 60, copy one of the glow effects. Set its radius to 160, its threshold to 85, and its intensity to 0.8. Also slightly reduce the intensity value of the first glow effect. You can adjust the glow effect settings to your liking. Very good. You can also change the shimmer color and adjust it as you like. If you've watched this far, you know what to do. See you in the next videos.